Hurricane Hermine causing scenes just like this around the Bay Area. You remember them back in September.
Yeah, but as ABC Action News reporter Eric Waxler shows us, some people in Crystal River still living with the aftermath all day and all night.
Imagine living with your home like this in complete disarray. We are in the kitchen of this unit, and it's been like this ever since Hurricane Hermine came through in September. But now 5 months have passed, and the hurricane really wasn't that bad for the Bay Area, so people here can understand what's taking so long.
Diane Reed's condo is a mess.
I go out to eat a lot.
So is Peter Fox's.
The most frustrating thing basically is waiting. So it's been 5 months since the flood.
Both are basically forced to stay on the second floor while they continue to wait for repairs at the island's condominium complex in Crystal River. In all, 166 units here have flood damage.
I kind of go with the flow, but it is stressful.
Management blames delays on the insurance companies. Others say it's FEMA's fault, and residents are pointing the fingers at the contractor.
It's like they're all working together, and if we ask questions, they don't want to talk about it.
But we saw plenty of people asking questions of Statewide Restoration Services President Bob Benson.
Permits are working on to be pulled. The ones that are being pulled are the units that we're working on right now.
He says many residents understand the long process, and the complaints are from a small group.
That's coming from 1 or 2 homeowners that want to use their own contractors or want to be their own contractors or think they can make money on their own unit.
The community has flooded before, most recently 1993's no-name storm. But this time, a common complaint seems to be lack of communication as to when life here will finally return to normal.
It's like anything else, like the government. If you don't let the people know, then if rumors start, everybody wants to, know exactly what's going on.
Several of the homeowners here have gotten attorneys, and they're looking into what legal action they can take. In Crystal River, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.